Come on, everybody, wear your table napkins. Table napkins, please, and scream.
Daw. Ups. Okay na.
The beautiful birthday girl.
Okay na.
Hardworking, kind, amazing. That's why she really deserves this deep party.
Yeah.
And now,
Ayan na.
she will be escorted
Oh, ayan na.
by Mr. Dito.
Smile.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for our beautiful debutante. Alright, together with Sir Dito, her escort. Not just for tonight, for tonight. Right? Yay! Again, everybody make some noise for the pretty girl,
Escort ka din, no?
So sweet. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Together with her escort, Dito. Again, make some noise for Annalyn, the beautiful girl tonight. Woo! Alright. Come on, I want to hear you scream, guys. Woo! Let's show the birthday girl that we're very happy tonight. We're very happy for her and for her escort, Dito.
Gusto yata magpabuhat.
Parang gusto daw magpabuhat. Baka naman daw, Sir Dito, parang gusto magpabuhat ni Annalyn. There you go. Very beautiful. Bubuhatin na ba? Bubuhatin na? Hi! Hello, Annalyn. Hi, Sir Dito. Once again, everybody clap your hands for our birthday girl. In her red gown. The very beautiful gown. Hi, guys. Good evening. Miss Annalyn, our very beautiful birthday girl, please come up on stage. You have to be on the stage so everybody can see you. At syempre, tatanungin natin siya bago tayo mag-start. She's very kilig. She's very happy. Alright. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, Annalyn and Sir Dito, everybody clap your hands for them. Hi! Hello. Can we have one microphone DJ for Annalyn? Hi, Annalyn. Good evening to you. I'm going to talk to you first, ha? May mga questions na ako. Diba? Madali lang. Very easy questions, no? Can we have one microphone for... Yes, for Annalyn, please. Okay, hi Annalyn. Good evening. Kumusta ka? Super happy?
Yes po.
Super happy. Super kilig.
Yes po.
Diba? Super kilig. Okay, Annalyn, baka may gusto kang sabihin sa lahat ng bisita mo na narito ngayon, mga nagmamahal sa'yo.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan.
Thank you po, Papa Diba. At saka Ate Sarah, thank you.
So super thankful syempre ni Annalyn sa inyong lahat, ladies and gentlemen.